Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. First we have our shock mount for attaching it to the hot shoe of your camera. Next we have our TRS cable for connecting it to the microphone input. And here we have the Rode VideoMic Go 2 itself. It has a USB-C output for connecting it to any USB-C enabled device, as well as your TRS output for connecting it to anything that accepts microphone input through the 3.5mm connector. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments and I will try to answer them for you.